welcome back to another tutorial on using the SCDDB. Today we'll learn how to use dance lists, creating your own dance lists to make cribs or playlists of videos. So once you've logged in, go to Extra, My Dance Lists. As you can see, I've got quite a few here already. We're going to create a new list. You can make it private if you're just planning for a teaching session or planning a social program, but if you want to make a social program for everyone to see, then we'll uncheck that box. We'll give it a name, we'll call it tutorial test, and we'll give it a date, and we create list. Now it's blank because we haven't put anything in it yet, so we go to Edit List, and we start typing the name of a dance. Let's start with EH37AF, and there it is. So we click on the suggestion and click on Add. What might be a good second dance? How about Maxwell's Rant? Start typing it in, and there's one there. Add. And we just keep doing this. Let's try the gentleman. Doesn't like that one. The gentleman, there it is. Add. And you keep doing that as many times as you like. You can move them around. You just drag along and move them wherever you want to. Change the order. You can delete one entirely if you choose to by pressing on the cross. You can even tell it that we're going to have an extra. Let's put an extra on the program. Red House. We can even say there's going to be some step practice or another heading, other. You might want to say we're going to put an interval in here. And we can drag that to wherever you want it. Okay, when we're done, we can go back to List View. And we can see the overview here. We can click on the Cribs tab, and we can see the cribs. And you can choose whether you want mini cribs or e-cribs under your own profile setting, which is up here. Okay. You can choose to include diagrams alongside the cribs. You can choose to see the diagrams alone. You can choose to just see the videos. Okay, and this will generally give you one of the better videos that's available on the database. If you want to download this, you just click on the download PDF and open it up on your computer, and that's a nice easy way to share cribs for upcoming socials. The other useful thing to know is if you go into Edit List and Manage, this is where you can change your settings to make it private or public. Okay, thank you very much. I hope that's been helpful.